Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix an Unarc.dynamic link library error when you try to install games, for example. And usually you encounter this error when you try to install a large file or decompress the data. So here the Unarc dynamic link library error in Windows 10 or 11 is mostly related to the installation of PC games as well program of large size. So if your PC RAM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may throw this error. So here, before you go about trying this method to get rid of this error, there's this one call to action that you must carry out. Check your PC configuration and see if it's compatible with the game or software you are trying to install. Every game or software comes with minimum PC configuration requirement. Here you can try to increase virtual memory by hold Windows key icon on your keyboard and R key. So run box will open for you and you can open sysdm.cpl. Click OK. Now system properties will pop up. You can click advanced, click performance settings, again click advanced, click virtual memory change, untick this automatically box and click on custom size. You can fill initial size and maximum size based on your RAM on your PC or on your laptop. So here for most games 2.5 GB is enough. So the files which will work in most cases 403,000 and not the files are in megabytes, so this set up maximum paging file size to the tune of 3 GB. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Press the button below.